Kick off to the 1990 rugby season on April the 28th with a rugby special. First National Bank presents the Natal Centenary Test Union Rugby Festival live on Mnet Supersport. See the Big Six in action, all the cries, the brawls and feel the fever. Ondersteun jou span Natal, Noord-Transvaal, WP, Transvaal, OP of die Vrystaat. 4 ure uitmuntende rugby direct van Kings Park op Mnet. Saturday, 28 April is Rugby Day, and for the first time our national game can bank on the treatment it deserves. Brought to you by First National Bank. First for sport, first for you.